Hi everyone, myself Satish here. Today I am going to show you Mediqua, the model name AK5000, the live hydrogen count and the live negative ORP. Yeah, so this is the machine. You can see this machine is fully automatic. Yeah, the specialty about this machine is that you will be getting 4 levels of alkaline water, 4 levels of acidic water. Washing button is also there. On every 30 liters this machine goes on reverse polarization mode. Yeah, it does auto cleaning by itself on every 30 liters. Yeah, so without wasting your time, I'm just showing you live hydrogen count. Yeah, so this is the machine. This machine has total 5 international language. So you can see everything on display: pH, ORP, water flow rate, everything on the display. Alkaline water will be coming from here, and the acidic water you can see it is coming from this small water. So here I have taken one glass, empty glass. We will do comparison with the tap water. I am collecting this tap water in one glass. Okay, and in one glass I am just taking this AK5000 machine water, Mediqua, made in Korea. So you can see I have taken, this is Mediqua machine water in one glass. This is hydrogen meter. Okay, so first I am dipping this meter in tap water, so you can see the reading is 0. Okay, and once I dip this meter in our machine water, you can see how instantly the reading goes on increasing. So this is the proof that Mediqua machine model number AK5000, you will be getting hydrogen up to 1800 ppb. Yeah, but you can see in reading it has cost 1870. Okay, once again we will try in water taken from the normal tap. See, the hydrogen is 0. But once I dip this in our machine water, you can see how instantly the reading goes increasing. Okay, now I am going to show you negative ORP. Yeah, so this is ORP meter. You can see, first we will check the ORP of tap water. So as usual it is in plus. Now what is this ORP stand for? ORP stands for oxidation reduction potential. It should be maximum in the negative. If it is in the positive, so it will oxidize your body actually. Yeah, so it is, see, once I dip this in our machine water, straight away it goes in -99, minus 999. So this is the proof that our Mediqua machine water, you will be getting hydrogen up to -1800 and negative ORP up to